Hey y'all, today on Byrne Homemade, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious whipped cream. It's the perfect top-in for any dessert. For my homemade whipped cream, I use about 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar to every cup of heavy cream. Now you should do this in a stand mixer or with a handheld mixer with the whisk attachment, or it's going to take you about 20 minutes to whisk it up, maybe 7 actually. Maybe 7, it'll take you a very long time. All I do is pour the heavy cream in, and then I put my powdered sugar. Mixer on a lower speed so it doesn't splash everywhere, and then I turn it up to high to really get it going. This probably took about 3 minutes altogether. As you can see there, it's starting to get stiff peaks, and that's what you want, where you can wiggle it and it doesn't move. You don't want to take it too far or you will have butter. I get asked often how I do pretty designs. I always use a star tip and just get a piping bag, stick it in a mason jar, and plop the whipped cream in there so I can push down the air. Sometimes if you don't push it down enough, you'll get air pockets and it'll like spew whipping cream out at random. So you really kind of want to push it down and make sure that there's no air bubbles in there. So a few examples that I've recorded so far are on pies. You just put light pressure, about the same amount each time, plop it down, pull it up. And then you turn. This works good on a Lazy Susan or a cake thing, a cake turner if you have it. You plop it down, pull it up, plop it down, pull it up. And that's how I do it every time. And it always looks cute. I normally put like a little swirl in the middle. If it's a key lime pie, I'll put a lime on there. I'll put a Reese's in the middle on my peanut butter pies or whatever candy I choose to do. And it just makes everything look more professional. I am doing this so I can start videos where I show how to do things that I always use, and then I can refer back to them, along with make a playlist that makes it easier to find everything instead of searching through videos. I hope this helps somebody out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.